In this video, let us learn TCL statements. The TCL stands for Transaction Control Language. There are two TCL statements are available, rollback and commit. So the TCL statements, the rollback and as well as commit. So with respect to our MySQL, by default, the new connections are in auto commit mode. It means all the statements, even if we can take DDL and DML, those statements are by default auto commit. So these are permanently, it will save the transaction. Because as per the DML statements are not auto commit as per the SQL concept wise. But here in MySQL, the statements are auto commit. This is because there is a setting in the new connections auto commit mode only. So those settings we have to change in the MySQL workbench. So that's the reason we'll open the MySQL workbench. We'll open the MySQL workbench and connect to a database. So root. So now we can use Gentech. Yes, it is pointing to the database called Gentech. Use Gentech DB. I'm sorry, the name is Gentech DB. Yes, now it is pointing to the Gentech database. Now we can able to see what are the tables are available. If we can expand the Gentech means tables in the Gentech DB, we can see what are the tables are available. Now I would like to provide select star from product. So currently the table contains two records. Okay, what are the two records? The product ID is 11 and 10 and product ID is 11. These two records are available. So now, as we discussed previously, by default in MySQL, new connection use auto commit mode. Because of this particular reason, whatever the records we are inserting, it will become a auto commit only. So for that purpose, we have to remove that particular setting. And again, one more. Suppose here I am trying to update the record. Update product set city name. City name is equal to Bangalore. I would like to provide city name is Bangalore, where prod ID is equal to 11. When I'm trying to update this particular city name, it's not allowing to update. The reason, if you can see, you are using a safe update mode. So with respect to our MySQL workbench, we have to do two settings now. One called safe update, we have to deselect it, and another one called the new connections use auto commit mode, that also we need to deselect. So then only it become a normal SQL. So as per the normal SQL, our DML statements are not auto commit. So we can go to edit, preferences. Okay, select SQL editor, scroll down. There is the option called safe update. This one we need to deselect. That is the first one option. Another one, SQL execution. Here, new connections use auto commit mode. Again, deselect this particular checkbox. Click on OK. And again, restart your database. Then only the changes will be applied. MySQL workbench. Again, we'll connect to the database by providing the valid password. So now we can try to display the records now. There are how many records are available now? So first we can use Gentech DB because we have connected again one more time. And again we can display the records. There are two records are available. Now I would like to update the records. As soon as if we can update, as update becomes successful. Now if you can see the record, the city name changes to Bangalore. But it is a temporary change. It's not auto commit because we have deselected the auto commit option. Now I will do the rollback. As soon as if we can do the rollback, Again, if we can select records from the table, yes, now it's showing the California. So now again I would like to update. If we can see the records in a table, the city name changes to Bangalore. If we can do rollback, again if we can select star from table name, again we can able to see California. What rollback can do? Rollback statement, I would like to provide the definition of rollback. First one, rollback. Rollback statement. It is a TCL statement. First thing, it is a TCL statement. It can be applied only on DML statements, because DML statements are not auto commit. It rollbacks to till last saved transaction. It rollbacks to till last saved transaction. So Azim, I would like to explain about one use case. One use case here. One use case. Create a table. Student. So that is the first point. That is the first step. Second step. Insert 5 records. Third step. Update 2 records. So again, fourth one, insert 2 records. So fifth one, rollback. So how many records are available in a table? How many records available on a table? How many records are available on a table? So what is the answer now? So the answer is, see, first we will try to explore. Create table is a DDL statement. It is auto commit. I have inserted 5 records. It is a DML statement. So we can note down DML. Again, I have updated 2 records. That is also DML. Again, I inserted 2 records. That is also DML. As soon as if we can do rollback, what is the definition of rollback? It rollbacks to till last saved transaction. Which is the last saved transaction here? Create table. So automatically we are getting row count card. Which one? How many? 0. 0 is the row count. How many records are available? No records. So that is the functionality of which one? The rollback. So now we can go with the commit. What commit can do? The second one called commit statement. It is a TCL statement. It can be applied only on DML statements. It saves the DML transactions permanently. It saves the DML transactions permanently. So it saves the DML transaction permanently. Again, we'll go to our database. Again, I would like to modify. Again, I want to see the records which are available in a table. It is California. It is showing. Now I would like to update with Bangalore. So currently the city name showing as a Bangalore. Now I am going to apply the commit. As soon as if we can apply the commit, yes, it saved permanently. So currently it changes to Bangalore. Again, if we can do rollback also, it never roll back to California because it has applied commit. Commit means it is a permanent operation. Okay. Thank you.